Sa Samhradh.
Sa Samhradh bíonn an aimsir go maith, bíonn an ghrian ag tainneamh, bíonn duilleoga ar na crín, bíonn bláhanna sa pharc, téann daoine coist trá, bíonn léitheanta saoire againn, téann daoine ar saoire.
So, Sa Samhradh means in the summer. Sa Samhradh in the summer, bíonn an aimsir go maith. Now, the aimsir means weather, and go maith means good, and bíonn means is. The thing about bíonn, though, is that it means always. So it's always, bíonn an aimsir go maith, the weather is always good. Okay, and the way I remember that is bíonn has two N's in it, and that means it is now, N for now, and another N for it is next week. It's always. So bíonn an aimsir go maith means the weather's always good in summer. Bíonn an ghrian ag taitneamh. The sun is shining all the time. Bíonn duilleoga ar na crán. There are leaves on the trees all the time. Bíonn bláhanna sa pharc. There are flowers in the park. Now, taobhain is very similar, because taobhain means goes. So taobhain daoine coist trá. People go, coist trá is beside the trá, beside the beach. So they go to the seaside. Bíonn léitheanta saoire againn. So léitheanta saoire are holidays. Againn means for us. So bíonn léitheanta saoire againn means we have holidays. And taobhain daoine ar saoire, people go ar saoire, people go on holidays.
Ceistena. An mian, bíonn, ní bhíonn.
So an mean is the question, and it means are there or is there? And the answers are bíonn, which is there is or there are, and ní bhíonn, which is there isn't or there aren't.
Ceiste hain. An mian an aimsir go maith sa Samhradh.
So an mean and aimsir. Is the weather usually, two N's in the word for mean, so is it usually like now and next week, is it usually go maith, is it usually good in the summer? And the answer would be bíonn means it is, all the time it is good in the summer, or ní bhíonn, which is it isn't good in the summer.
Ceiste dó. An mian an ghrian ag tainneamh.
Does the sun be shining in summer? Does the sun shine in summer? Bíonn or ní bhíonn?
Ceiste trí. An mian duilleoga ar na crín.
Are there leaves on the trees in summer? So bíonn duilleoga ar na crán or ní bhíonn? And ní bhíonn is with the BH. Ní bhíonn duilleoga ar na crán.
Ceiste cathair. An déan daoine coist trá.
So on dayan is the same. It's do people go? It's the continual present. Do people go to the beach? And the answers are taobhain. So you drop the D. It's just T-E fada A-N-N. Taobhain daoine coist trá, or ní haon. And that's spelled N-I fada for ní, and then T-H-E fada A-N-N, ní haon daoine coist trá, for they don't go to the beach.
Ceiste cuaig. An déan daoine ar saoire.
And last one, do people go ar saoire? Taobhain daoine ar saoire or ní haon daoine ar saoire?